Hello everybody, this is a review of the Patriot PE2 electric fence Energizer. It comes with 250 foot of 17 gauge wire. I'm going to tell you some stuff about this Patriot that you might not be thought about, but I didn't think about it. I was under the impression that you needed a strong electric fence, and that just ain't the case, y'all. That electric fence just about scares them dogs half to death. Now see the green knob on the left? I've got that running down to a post in the ground. Now what I was planning on doing is running my ground from my Energizer and cut into my drop cord and hook that to the ground on my drop cord. But my ground was broke off of my drop cord, so I had to run it down to that post. But either way will work good. In your hot side, it runs over to the wires, and then you just simply connect the wires together with a wire. Now this right here is just a border electric fence. It's not closed in, but my dogs get over there trying to fight every time my wife comes home, every time she leaves the next door neighbor's dogs. And that's where that post right there, that's where they try to fight at, and I'm so sick of that stuff. This is made for pets. It don't have to be strong. I'm telling you, my dog got in it yesterday after I got through, and I reckon it's kind of like slapping the newspaper. It like to scared them half to death, and I don't think you're gonna need it long, cause just getting in at one time, that about pretty much about doing me in there. He come running to the house. I'm talking about just scared to death. You see it blinking, so you know it's plugged in. Steven's gonna try it and make sure it's working. Alright, putting his knee down on the ground, like making sure he got a good ground.
Like, get a little closer, you can hear the snap.
Alright, we decided we're going to see if we can hear it snapping. Alright? Yeah, I heard it.
Yeah.
My wife come home while I was just sitting here putting this video together, and the dogs didn't even run up to that electric fence. And y'all keep in mind, some of them fence chargers is for cows. They don't have to get shocked hard for it to scare them half to death. Alright, thanks everybody.